Great art can challenge us, surprise us, excite us, and inspire us. The arts matter. Every day, hundreds of thousands of people across Wales attend performances and events. And for many people, doing is as important as seeing, sometimes more so. There is a very strong tradition of community involvement in the arts, whether singing in a choir, playing in a brass band, or participating in Eisteddfodau. Community groups have been as much part of the cultural DNA of Wales as our award-winning artists and national companies. Taking part, for leisure or recreation, can be its own reward. But sometimes the experience of taking part connects more deeply, giving individuals and communities a sense of self and identity, a sense of belonging. Because they bind communities together, the arts matter to Wales.